inside of me, in a world I don't wanna say. Just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your way?
Good morning, you guys. This video is already off to an incredible start because I was supposed to be filming a pack with me video for this amazing trip to Italy that I'm going on tonight in a matter of hours. And I haven't started packing because my life has been so busy and so crazy. But of course I was like, I'm gonna wake up early, I'm gonna take a shower, wash my hair, and that's gonna like get me going. And I go to take a shower. I'm at my parents' house, by the way. I haven't formally announced this on YouTube, but I've moved and all my stuff is everywhere. My hair is full of shampoo. I told Doug that my shower wasn't properly draining last time I took a shower like a couple weeks ago. And this time I like got in the shower. I shouldn't have even gotten in the shower, but it was not draining whatsoever. I was gonna like overflow the shower. So I just got out of the shower and now my mom is asking him to go unclog the shower so that I can wash my hair properly. And I'm just gonna sit here with shampoo in my hair. It's gonna be so clean. Welcome to the vlog. Me packing and trying to get my life together in a matter of hours. It's a good time. I think my hair is dripping, so I think I'm just gonna put this towel on with the shampoo. Good times. I feel like on this channel I always promote like a busy, active lifestyle, and it's all fun and games until you literally have no seconds in your life to do anything, and then it's a little bit stressful. We always figure it out, and so today I'm gonna document the journey of me figuring it out. I think right now I'm just gonna start painting my toenails while I wait for the mechanic to do his business because I wanted to redo them anyway. I have that, I have laundry that I can fold, so there are things to be done and we're gonna attempt to do them and make it all happen. And my parents are being homies right now, helping me out, running my errands for me because you guys, it's been crazy here. To give you a little backstory, I'm going to Italy with someone very special and it's kind of a last minute trip, which is also why we're just last minute packing and it's a good time. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys when my hair is not sopping wet and then we'll actually start the packing process and I'm gonna show you how I organize this. I have not gone out of the country since 2019. And if you have been watching my videos since 2019, then leave a comment down below. Let me know about the Spain trip. Maybe I'll be even dissolving some Spain tea in this video because there's a lot of tea that I didn't talk about. This is my redemption European trip and I'm very excited about it. We're going to Italy and Greece and we're going for 10 days. So there's a lot to pack, but we're gonna pack in a carry-on. It is for a wedding, so there's also like 3 formal dresses and accessories and shoes and all the fun stuff. It's gonna be a good time. All right, let's get going. Good news, Doug fixed it. Off to do a shower. And my laundry's folded. You guys, we are making some better progress. I just finished tidying my room. It doesn't look perfect. For a tiny room at my parents' house, this is all like the pile stuff I need to bring. I just rearranged it so I could see the floor a little bit better. I cannot think in a space that is just cluttered. It just doesn't work for me. So now I'm gonna attempt to charge up some devices and stuff. I have my external battery pack charging. I'm charging my camera battery. I'm charging my iPad. I don't know if I'll bring my iPad or not, but we're charging all the things. My mom's gonna help me check into the flight. At least I painted my toenails. I started another load of laundry, cleaned my room. Oh, I got my money together. I ordered euros because that was smart of me, but that's what we have so far. Boarding passes secured. We printed them out because I have a little PTSD from the last time I flew to Europe. I told you guys about the Spain trip situation. Well, that fun little story, I thought that I was flying out on the day that I actually landed and I got my dates confused because I didn't know I was flying over 24 hours and I literally missed my flight all the way to Spain and I had to pay like $2,700 to get myself one way all the way to Europe. So we're not doing that again this year, even though it almost happened again because I thought I was leaving on Saturday, but I'm actually leaving today. We have that. And now I need to find my little portable plug thing. Actually, I don't know if this is right. How do I know what the Europe plug looks like? Is it the same as Spain? Do we think Italy has the same plugs as Spain? Please hold while I look for more stuff. At least I did ask my coworker if I could borrow her like plug adapter. So I know I have one and then I have this one that I used in Spain, but I don't know if it's the same. So I'm gonna do some Googling. The day is going very quickly, but I am gonna straighten my hair and then we're just gonna start the packing process. I think what I'm thinking of doing is I have 2 bags, this cute little pink one behind me. My sweet coworker Jenny let me borrow, and it's a really nice bag because it opens like a suitcase, but it also has a ton of pockets for everything. I'm packing in a carry-on since we have so many flights, so I need to be efficient, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack all of my carry-on stuff in there, all of my liquids that I can just like take out in the quart-size bag. I'll pack like my pajamas, socks, and things like that in there, so it's just like all of my essentials are there, and then maybe everything else will just be like clothes in my carry-on suitcase. So that's what I'm thinking of doing. thing. We'll see how it actually plays out. I'm very, very nervous and curious to see if everything will fit in a quart-sized bag, like all my liquids. We're gonna try to pack that part first, and then I can pack the rest of my clothes later, so that if we have to go to the store to get stuff, then we can. But we're making it happen slowly. I blew dry my hair a little bit. I have to write a birthday card for my special someone that is coming on the trip with me because it's their birthday while I'm there. That's what's up. I'm gonna straighten my hair and then we're gonna get started packing. And the time is now 10:35, so we have 5.5 hours till I leave. The time has officially come for us to pack because I'm tired of procrastinating. So we're gonna put this together. I'm like, I don't even know where to get started. That's the hardest part. This bag though, it has so many compartments. It's really fantastic. So I'm just gonna do a little bit and then we're gonna see how far we get. I feel like I should get started on the toiletries first because it'll just make me feel better. Okay, this is my normal bag that I keep all of my toiletry stuff in, but of course everything liquid has to be able to fit into a quart-sized bag. So my mom also went to the store for me to get a bunch of stuff like Tide to Go pen and things that are liquid. So I'm just gonna take all the things that are liquid and put it in a pile and see how much it ends up being. Cue the time lapse of me sorting my liquids. Things are going well. I have all of my makeup that doesn't need to be liquid and in a container right here, and then I have all of my liquid things in this pile. And luckily, the person I'm traveling with doesn't really have a lot, so I think I'm gonna be able to fit things together. So I'm kind of gonna do like all of my hair stuff and my deodorant, my toothpaste in one, and like maybe sunscreen, Tide to Go pen in here, and my nail polish, and that's kind of it. That filled up quite fast actually. Yeah, that was faster than I thought. Please close. I just ripped that one. Okay, I need to get a new plastic bag. Note to self, bring more of these baggies on the trip. One bag done. I fit all my deodorant, toothpaste stuff. Okay, and then I'm gonna do one more bag. I almost could just fit my makeup stuff in it. I think I'm gonna be okay. Okay, this is better than I thought. My mom is FaceTiming me from the store, so please hold. We're doing so well. Okay, I have everything in these two bags. I'm gonna give one for me and then one for the person I'm traveling with because they don't have a bag. So these things are packed. Makeup is all in here, and then this feels like so much stuff, but whatever. We have some Band-Aids. Not a ton of Band-Aids. Maybe I should get some more Band-Aids. This is a nurse thing. This is the nurse in me. This is all the medication that I'm bringing. Bringing Dramamine because we're going on a boat ride and it's in the ocean and I tend to get a little bit seasick. I have my inhaler. I have a mini Tylenol, a mini Advil. I have Dayquil. I have NyQuil. I have Benadryl. I have alcohol swabs. I have a mini sewing kit. I have tweezers, I have nail cutters, and I have some allergy meds too. And I think that's it. A lot of my coworkers say that they got sick when they went to Europe. I'm gonna try to be really careful, and I like always just wear a mask on the plane anyway because it makes me nervous, but really not trying to get sick on my nice vacation here. So we're gonna hope that we have everything that we need in case anything happens, that we won't be like stressing too badly. I got all my hair stuff in here. I'm bringing a cute little white headband because I think it'll be fun with an outfit, and all the hair stuff should be good to go. You guys, the toiletries are packed. I am obsessed with this bag. I'm gonna try to link it down below. It's got so many pockets. I'm getting so organized, finding a little home for everything. In this top section, this little guy is for a little hand sanitizer. My mom's gonna get me from Bath & Body Works, and I'm gonna put it in there. I've got chapstick in there. And then in here, there's so many pockets. I have some Clorox wipes to wipe down the area. There's like a bajillion zippers. I have like my portable charger in here. I've got my adapter thing in there. I've got some more chargers for the power cord. And I'm just gonna put like all my chargers, I think, in this front pocket. And then this very front pocket, I have cards. And then there's even like a whole nother compartment up top. There's like literally so many compartments. It's really nice. I'm gonna put gum in one of these. Also gonna pack a couple snacks just to have like in case I am absolutely ravenous. Let's see if I can put them in different compartments. It's coming together. As you can tell, the front pockets are pretty packed, but all this stuff is so great because it's so easily accessible. So I kind of like it. And then inside, we've got all of my toiletry stuff and then things that I have to pull. And then this compartment, I think is gonna be pretty much like all of my like pajamas, socks, underwears in a packing cube. I feel like I could fit like 2 packing cubes in here, and then I have all this space. So I'm feeling pretty good about this space situation. That being said, I am starting to get really hungry and I'm starting to like lose focus. So I think it's time to eat. And I'm really excited because this video is sponsored by Factor, and it's perfect because I have no time today to actually cook anything. So we're gonna go pick out a Factor meal and heat them up. As you guys know, I've been working with Factor for a long time and their meals are seriously some of my favorites. They just hit the spot every time. It's ready in 2 minutes. That way I can get ready, eat, and keep going. Let's pick our Factor meal. This is gonna be hard. Sweet potato chickpea curry, roasted veggie pesto tortellini. I might do that. I don't know. Fire roasted tomato braised tofu. I might do the tortellini. This sounds super good. I got the vegetarian box this time just because I wanted to try it out. I've been eating a lot more vegetarian meals. That's another thing I love about Factor is they have meal plans for all your needs. They have keto, protein ones, vegetarian, and I love that their plans are so flexible. So you can change it at any time. You can get anywhere from 4 to 18 meals delivered. They have 35 different meals for you to choose from every week. I also am gonna have one of their juices. They have a bunch of amazing add-ons, and this is my favorite one. I am obsessed with these juices. This is the carrot orange ginger cold pressed juice, and it just is refreshing every single time. I've already had like 3 of these this week. They're so good. Let's heat this up and let's eat. This might be one of my favorite Factor meals ever. You guys, look at this tortellini, the pesto tortellini with the green beans. Very excited and I'm very hungry, so this sounds so good. We're gonna have a little bit of our juice too. I feel like we gotta go into the flight hydrated, healthy, because my plan is to basically pull an all-nighter since I leave at 7:30 and then I don't land in Italy until 8:30 the next day. Then we'll probably land, get dinner, go to bed. So I kind of have to like channel my inner night shift nurse and just pull an all-nighter. Okay, we're gonna try our comida. Okay, this might be my new favorite. I say this every time when I try something new, but I haven't tried a lot of their vegetarian dishes, and this one is absolutely incredible. Look at this, you guys. It's so good. I feel like this is so convenient for my lifestyle, especially when I have busy days like this. And if you guys are interested in having fresh, never frozen meals delivered right to your door so that they are ready to go, you guys should head to factor75.com or click the link below and use my code 50Kiara for 50% off your first box plus free shipping. That's code 50Kiara at factor75.com for 50% off your first box and free shipping. Thank you, Factor, for helping me survive this day. I'm gonna eat this probably way too fast, and then we're gonna resume packing. I feel like already so much better now that I've gotten started. It is almost time for the clothing portion of this. I haven't even unpacked for my last trip, so I'm gonna basically go through what I have packed in my packing cubes and then add and subtract. I'm feeling so much better after eating, and my laptop is officially charged, so I'm gonna start like literally taking everything that's in front of me and just putting it in the bag, and then once my laundry is done drying, I think I'm just gonna refold it and put it away. It'll help me feel like I have my life together, and then I can just repack the clothes. We need all the boarding passes. I have my purse that I'm probably gonna use the most on the trip, and that's gonna go on the bottom. We're making good progress. Okay, I'm gonna go grab my laundry and fold it really quick, and then we're gonna keep packing. Okay, apologies. My mom just scared the living bejesus out of me. So we're packing all of my swimsuits, underwear, socks, things like that. And then we're gonna move on to the clothes, but we're getting there. So cue the return of the time lapse.
The sun will start to shine in the darkest times. We'll still see the signs. We're rising up and we're standing tall.
Here's what we got in the carry-on situation. It's pretty full. I feel like it's really quite heavy too. So I couldn't fit all of my pajamas and workout clothes, which are all in this cube. I might have to pare them down, but I feel like I should just see what happens when I put everything in this suitcase. For now, we're gonna leave it like this. I found a book that I am interested in reading. I'm just gonna bring one and try to just read a little bit. I have kind of a weird gap here, but I also have a present that I can put in here. Here we go. We have T-minus 1 hour and 30 minutes before I have to leave, and I haven't packed any of my real clothing, so here we are. Gonna pack away. Let's make some piles.
Underneath the skin, we're all a single race. A tapestry that's woven into place. Hearing different views, we find a different plan. With an open mind, together we can.
It's almost done. I probably brought way too much stuff, but that's because I did a terrible job of planning and organizing. I have like a little spot for some sandals right there. I'm gonna put my dresses in, and then we're calling it because we literally have like 1 hour till departure. But I think it's going well. This is all good. I'm gonna put my password up front. Everything's gonna work out, but We are pretty packed in here. Yo, the only thing that's left to do is wait for my mom to get some flip-flops, so I will put them right here in my suitcase. I have all of my shirts in here. This is all of my like workout gear, pajamas, comfy clothes sort of thing. I already pared this down. I know I packed way too much. I just can tell already, like, this is gonna be a lot to move and repack, but I put some extra dresses in here, some snacks, and then on the other side I have all of my pants, my dress shoes for the wedding, the nice tops, and then some extra like sweaters and stuff in the corner. So that one's pretty full, but I will fit the flip-flops right here. This bag worked out so well. I have like all my toiletries here so I can grab them easily. This is all of my like socks, underwear, things like that. One book, bringing this water bottle because I know I need to stay hydrated when I travel. I have an extra little zip up there. I've got my Beats so I can edit, and then there's just like tons of stuff in here. Hopefully this closes. Seems a little precarious, but I wasn't able to fit the jeans in, which is kind of a bummer because I wanted to bring one pair of jeans. I don't know what to do, if I should like squish it in and try to just fit them, because I probably could fit them if I wanted to, or if that's too much and I should be realistic and not. All of my flight information for like the 10 different flights that I'm going to be on in here in the folder so that I can just look it up easily, because it's honestly confuses me how many flights I have. I'm gonna put these pretzels in here for later. Yeah, that's it. We're just waiting for Dee Dee to come back with my flip-flops, and then we're packed and we're gonna go. We have 30 minutes about until we're supposed to leave. Doesn't really quite feel real, but it's happening. You guys, I zipped everything. This thing looks so big, but it has everything I could possibly need in it, and so it makes me feel better. I got my flip-flops. They fit great. I'm just gonna bring the tennis shoes and the flip-flops, and then my kind of like more heeled sandally things for my nicer like wedding outfit. I'm gonna zip up the suitcase because I think I have it all. I hope I have it all. Let's see how hard this thing is to zip. Luckily, this suitcase is flexible enough for me to just sit on it. Oh, I've definitely had a harder time before. I feel like that's not that bad. And then I have up to 50 pounds. That's no way that's 50 pounds. And then this, which is quite heavy, but that's okay. We're ready, you guys. I'm gonna go to the airport and I'll talk to you guys when I get back to America. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out Factor. You can head to factor75.com. Use my code 50Kiara for 50% off your first box plus free shipping. The link is in my description box. Today's question of the day: where are you guys traveling to next? What's your next trip? Could be a weekend getaway, could be something exciting. I love you guys. I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.
And every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow. When you're making half the money